Hello guys. Today we discuss about computer. Computer is a machine. Hi friends, do you know computer? Computer is a powerful machine. Do you know the difference between machines and natural things? Vegetables, fruits, flowers, birds, animals, milk. All these things are born or grown up in nature. Thus, the things which are made by nature are called natural things. CD player, telephone, refrigerator, computer, car, television. All these things are made by man. They are also known as machines. They help us in our works. Computer is also a machine.